Hi student, in this video I record the video for you again. Last time you have done about assembling the component, every component to the product configuration. I taught you about the constraint, taught you about how to create a constraint, create a condition for the pair to pair, right? We come to the product shape, product form. I told you before I will bring you to how to create the export view. Export view in the drawing. Okay, this video I will record and I taught you in that the topic. Okay, let's get started. I will open the drawing. Open the drawing. Oh, sorry. New file. Use file. New. I create the drawing workspace. Okay, where is the drawing workspace? You find out about in the list. Find out about drawing. It's a create the drawing. Right. I define the size of the drawing paper. I use it A4. Okay, got it. And before that, you have done create the template, right? Title frame and title box before in the uh, previous video, right? And right now I go into a drawing sheet and new sheet, right? Okay, I ring this command block to uh, find out about the file, the drawing file, the frame, right? The frame, pin at the box. Okay, insert because the size of paper is the size of paper. I define that A4 ISO and use the first angle projection method, right? And here you need to create and fill in the topic, right? And the topic and your institute in your a company, your factory name, right? And you can go to sheet background and double click on here and define the name, right? Okay, right now I define the name Mahidol University, Mahidol University, right? Okay, and this one maybe is bigger. I reduce the size, right? And this I change to um, here. Maybe use the uh, industrial engineer, industrial engineer, right? Industrial and product, industrial engineer, right? Engineer. Okay, engineering. I think it's so big. It's so wrong. Okay, I reduce the size. We come to here. Oh, sorry. Something like that. And this one is the assembly, leveling, right? Leveling product here, and material maybe steel, steel. Uh, the proof it's a check by uh, by someone. I don't know. Dead and dead is the dead. I can identify that dead is what 73 4. Okay, it's okay. Accept it. And working wheel. Going to a working wheel, right? And before you you grab the 3D, put into the 2D drawing, you must set up the scene in the assembly, right? You set up the scene first. Okay, you're going to find out the scene. This one, enhance enhance scene. Right? Click on there. And the scene, they generate automatic name and partial. Okay, accept that. This one, this screen is the scene. You can define the scene, how to arrange in your product, right? The export view, right? Okay, you're going to use it. Export, you should use export or you manual. You may use a manual. Uh, okay, separate one by one and arrange the position location by yourself, right? You use it way, right? You can do that. And another way you can use it export, right? Export in the one product, export view 3D. I use the consent because I already done about the consent. Okay. Uh, okay, I will notice about if I have done about the consent, right? What the shape in the screen define export view look like. You need to do and you need to notice. Right? Okay, I try to use this consent. Apply. Apply. Okay. Okay. What happened? I cancel first. Where is my consent? Where is my consent? Okay. I just out in the consent. Okay, I show up consent first, double click again, double click again. Oh, why didn't have the consent? I cannot. Actually, I have already have the consent right here. Okay, no problem. I use another way. Scene, double click scene. I use it. I use it. Export to 3D, 2D, 2D. Apply. Yes. Okay. Here. Okay, you can manage by yourself like this. Here, something like this. Move like that. Down, down. Yes. And this one, maybe. and something like that. You take this frame. Okay, you save viewpoint. Save viewpoint, and you out. Save viewpoint and out, right? Okay, out. Save number one and another. Okay, create a new frame. Right? Yes. Scene number two, and you export again, and use a 3D right here, and you can move posture if you prefer like that, right? Like that, something like this. And if you prefer here, and okay, you maybe you just adjust something, here. Oh, okay, click OK. You save the frame, save view point. Okay, go out. Okay, already done. You have the tools scene. You come back. You come back to the drawing, right? And you okay select this command here. Right? You use it. Uh, Go into isometric, basic view, and you come back to leveling, right? And you select scene number two, right? And click on the product. Scene number two, click on uh, this, okay? It show on your screen something, right? And the bigger is over the paper range, right? Okay, no problem. I will use the scaling is and or scale down to fit in my paper and my drawing here. Okay, right now it's good. Okay, double click on there. Sorry, click right button, property, and sorry. Okay, click. Okay. Mm, okay. Property. Scale to for right? Okay, it's still bigger. Three. Apply something. Okay, I think good. Right? Okay. Right now I test it first. I just test, right? Okay, not I use write this because I need to set up more parameter for the Xcode view. Okay, right now it's code first. I delete first. Okay, going back to here. After you got the scene, right? After this, you're going to set up this one. This one, generate numbering. You generate numbering, hit the product, right? You generate the numbering is the 1, 2, 3, right? The order, order the part is spring. You're going to the sequence assemble, right? You need to assemble relate on the number something, right? You define a specific number for each part, right? Each part, right? How to define specific name for each part? You use the way integer numbering name, right? Okay, the letter, this is the letter name, right? I select all the integer, click OK, right? They generate already for this product. And next, right? Next, analyze. Mm, Analyze the bill of material. The bill of the material. Okay, set up the bill of material. You can set up the bill of material, and this one is the default, and the part, the type part. Okay, part name, something like this. The part, and it's how many part in your product you see uses, right? How many part you take for assembling each other become the product configuration. How many part you can, if you use the part, okay, automatic it pull it out, from the product to here automatically, right? Okay, and right now it's just and one time for one part. Okay, no problem. Let's keep at default because it generates automatically. And this one is a same thing, quantity, right? How many parts you take for creating the product. Okay, right now it's a one, and they define the format, right? Define the format. If the column is too much, you can reduce. And right now it's a reduce revision or not. And this one, maybe you reduce this one. Okay, I did move to right. Okay, I reject. It's a column nomenclature, and this one is just is a uh, two column, right? Okay, you can delete everything later, and fill in the name, the detail later. After I take it, a bill material to the drawing, you can revise something on the drawing again. Okay, right now I keep that, click OK. And or another way, you can select some detail, some column. You need to add more to the table. You can select right to left, right? Okay, it makes sense. Makes sense. Oh, sorry, I missed. Sorry. Okay, you can here sort everything. Okay, I like this to move everything. Come back to left, right? Okay, right now it's come back to default information on the table, right? Hit OK, and right now I keep OK, right? That I will revise something again on the drawing. Click OK, and right now I open the bill of material table already, right? Okay, right now I need to move to the drawing, Okay, again I will click on isometric, right? Switch to this labeling and select okay, right now it need to scene one, right? Scene one, and this I click on this. Okay, come here. This is my export view. Okay, click here and define this property and view and use it. Three, right? Apply. Okay, up here. And okay, you need to use the numbering, right? Uh, you're going to select insert, generate, right? Generate it, balloon generation. Okay, click on balloon generation. It's already done. You can move that. You can move it. Okay, number two. Number one needs a slide. Right. Okay, number four. This two. This one. Lifting. Right, lifting. And this one. Paid. Okay, I get it. Okay, and insert. Okay, I need to add more because I already done about the bill of material, right? Okay, if you need to generate the bill of material over here, you can, but if I use is the sheet background, right? I need to insert here because I don't need someone, not need someone is show, let them about edit on the working view, right? I edit on the background. Okay, insert. Oh, this one, bill of material, right? Two. Sorry. Oh, this one. This one bill of material. This is bill of material. Okay, click on here, right? And click here. Sorry. Okay. Again, I try. I forgot. I forgot. I forgot. Switch to the product, right? And bring it parameter you already set it up, right? Set it out at all from the product 3D already, right? Because the data is come from the product. You need to come back to select the product first, and okay, it's put out the data, put in here, right? Okay, you click on here or click on this, right? View of material, you click on here. And you can. This one is the main menu, right? Directly to select on drawing, select on here, right? Or you use the toolbar, okay? Again, click on the view of material, switch on leveling, and click on the product, right? And you click, I need to, I schedule you need to press on here, right? Okay. After this, you can drag on right side because maybe you list the table more the detail and you click on here. If you click on here, maybe it's over, it should be on of the paper, and cost to the sheet, it add up one more, become to sheet number three, add the table inside of the sheet number three. I protect that, I avoid that problem, right? And that activity you click on here and press area left, okay, and you need to go to empty zone. You can drag up and drag to here by yourself, right? Here and here. Okay, which one you don't need it? You delete it out, and you delete it out. Right? This one you use it. You can adjust anything, right? Okay, maybe it done like 100% of the Excel program, and but okay enough for adjust something. Okay, you double click on here, and you adjust the table column width, right? Column width and division, you can put in here the data, right? And this rewind number two something. Okay, revision is two times. Maybe you adjust something two times, right? And this one maybe number one time, right? Okay, you can copy this, right? And copy here. Oh, sorry, double click inside and copy here. Oh, sorry. Okay, copy here. Oh, sorry, maybe you copy from another sort. Right? You can copy one to here, something. Right? Okay. This one name you can adjust something. Okay, right now I double click inside and delete the column. Right, and this the product you can adjust become to leveling. Maybe you just put in specific name in your work, right? Uh, okay, uh, maybe this one, double click if you need labeling. Okay, maybe sometime this table it don't be useful, right? Maybe it doesn't be useful enough because this one it's just only 5 parts, right? Because it's not a lot of a part, 1,000 parts something, and this write the conclusion. It's a conclusion and add the more detail conclusion something. We call this one at least 1 1 1 1 1. Right? And this one, okay, which how many part, how many part, up to you. Maybe you use just only one above table, right? And okay, for me, let them pass on here. Okay, if you paste chip, okay, yeah, you can move a little bit, move, right? And paste chip on the keyboard. Uh, okay, something like that. Uh, okay, I have done this. And this one is a background already. If you switch to the working view and you cannot, okay, the people take your file, right? You cannot edit anything, right? And this you can, right? Because this one is not background view. You can move anything, and this one you cannot, right? Okay, this one is export view. Uh, there is 5 parts, and this one the bill of material. You can add up about the price, right? The price of this part, okay, because this is a benefit for purchase, right? Document department, right? Something the purchase department and the inventory, right? Okay, this something is a bill of material. You can do this. Add more detail drawing, right? One by one you can, right? If you add the cheat, right? Something like that, insert the cheat something, right? A drawing sheet, new sheet, right? And link to the frame of title box, right? And add in the frame of word for frame of the paper. Okay, this video I suggest you how to put out the detail from the part model in the product for the product labeling, right? You set up everything first, numbering and bill of material, set up and set up a scene, right? Scene you can add one more scene, right? Up to you, and switch here the new drawing come here, and then you put out and take the detail from the product labeling in the 3D model, right? Okay, important. If the product in the 3D model in the product maybe something change, right? And this one the drawing is change too because it's associate each other, right? The drawing detail drawing the same, the 3D is change, the drawing is change automatically, right? Because it's generative drawing, right? Something like that is associate each other. Okay, enough for now. Okay, I will leave.